This is a 52-inch Fasco builder fan that I got today at Habitat for 15 bucks. It's brass with white blades, and it's pretty complete for the most part, except the canopy is not original. I got that at a thrift store today as well. And I got this brass down rod as well. But it's just a bit too long. The wires don't come out all the way. So I used the one from my old bedroom fan for this. So I'll have to cut that brass down rod and drill a new hole in it. No big deal, I guess, but this fan works pretty good. It wobbles just a little. But you know, nothing beyond acceptable reason, I guess. Nothing that I can't live with. You know, most ceiling fans wobble a little. It happens. But I'll show it running. As you know, high, medium, low, off. And they're packing peanuts on the floor in here, so you'll probably hear them moving around. So you can see it's a very quiet fan. It's got a nice, good, long spin down time to it as well. When I first ran it, I was like, is it off? Because it wasn't slowing down or stopping at all. Maybe it'll be less time now that's got the blades on it though. Well, no, it's still going good. So I mean, you know, it's a pretty good fan. Without a doubt. I don't think I'll be using it in this house. You know, I have my SMCA 52 in my bedroom. But I'll use it sometime somewhere. Probably have to get a light for it. For some reason I'm thinking that one of those 4-bulb spotlight fixtures would be good on this fan. Yeah, you can see it's pretty well lubricated. Let me adjust the camera and I'll show you the other fan I got, which I can't show running because I bought it at Texas Thrift, and I didn't notice this when I bought it. But the 3-speed pull chain is missing. Another thing that's missing is 2 of the blades, but I got replacement ones for free, and I still have the 2 original ones. Actually, you guys stare at that for a second. I'll go get the original ones for this other thing so you can see them. Alright. Anyway. this other fan is an Encon. Model name is Art Deco, and it's really a copy of the Spirit of Saturn model by Casablanca. You can see the original blades are here. They were reversible, black on one side, walnut on the other. Texas Thrift's electronics section is just like a huge mess. Ceiling fans are all taken apart, and the parts just strewn all over this big shelf in the middle, mixed in, and there's light fixtures and other stuff in there with it, and it's just crazy. But I looked around it for like 15 minutes for the other 2 or 3 blades, because they can have 5 or 4. And I never found them. I only found those. So I got these replacement ones for free from there. And I'll just set this down real quick and spin the fan around the other side so you can see it. I'm not supposed to set it down on the blades, but it's just for a little bit. And there it is. What I'm going to do is these blades on it, I'm going to paint gloss black, like that one. And this fan originally came with a 4-bulb spotlight fixture, much like the one I think would work on this fan. And it's been removed. So I'll have to get one of those, and a pole chain switch. You can see on the side there that it is gone. Oh, stupid thing. Here. See, there's the hole where it was, and all the wires are disconnected, so the fan won't run. And that kind of pisses me off. I don't know why on earth anyone would remove that. But whatever. It's a cheap part. I can easily get another one. But anyway, there you go. There's that Encon. And the Fasco.